In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a calendar with Gemini right here in Google Sheets. So if you want to create a calendar but you don't want to start from scratch, you can definitely do that with the help of Gemini. And for this particular video, we're actually asking Gemini to create a calendar within our spreadsheet, which links or syncs our events from another tab right here. So let's get started. First, you're going to open your Gemini panel by clicking on this icon right here. Then go to the bottom where you can enter your prompt. So my prompt is basically create a calendar that I can link to my data from another sheet and will automatically update when I have new events. So that's basically what I wanted to do. If there are some other specifications that you want to add, you can do so with your prompt. But I'm going to start with this one, so I'm going to click on submit. And I'm just going to wait for it to load. As you'll see in my tabs as well, I do have my calendar tab open right here. This is where we're going to have Gemini create that calendar. And on the other tab, we have our events. So going back to Gemini, here we have our dynamic calendar creation. Basically, these are the steps that it's going to do to create that calendar. And if we approve, we can just click on this one right here. And here we have it. So if I go back to my calendar right here, it has created that dynamic calendar, which has also synced up all the events that I've had from my other tab right here. So we have the events of August 8, 12, 15, 18, 23, and 29. That's 6 events in total. If we check our calendar right here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there you have it. So this is for the month of August, and of course you can do as many months as you want depending on what date you are in. And if I try and add another event on my events sheet right here, let's add August 31st, 2026. That would be, let's say, a budget meeting. And if I just add the date and the event and go to my calendar right here, you'll see that I'll have that on the 31st of this month of my calendar. So again, it immediately syncs any new information into your calendar right here. And that's how easy it is. You can create your calendars with the help of Gemini here in Google Sheets. If you want to learn more on how to use Gemini within Google Sheets, I do have a full playlist that I'll be leaving a card to at the top right corner for you to check out. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you might also want to check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.